one of the beliefs I had, this probably goes back, what, a year and a half, 2 years ago. I thought investing was complicated. Only the smartest can do it. And you have to have the Wall Street Rolodex because everybody I knew who was very successful, this is who they were, right? And what happened to me with this belief, I was that frustrated investor. I was chasing Holy Grail and I had terrible market results. I mean, just, very, very, very tough, tough situation. So it's like, learn how to do it or move on, right? So I chose, let's learn how to do it. So when I was developing this new belief, which I didn't know I was even doing, right? So I took Kata challenge with Griff and Phil, right? And so one symbol, one pattern at a time. And what that really did for me, it slowed everything down. I wasn't getting confused with all the noise, jumping around. It wasn't complicated, right? I mean, it's pretty straightforward stuff. And I had consistent R returns. I was making money.
Yeah.
So I totally flipped everything I thought you had to do to, oh, it's very simple. There's a process, there's rules, and this is what you can expect to do.